My name is Sofia Oses and I am working at Intesis as Product Manager for Air Conditioning Gateways. Today, in this video, I'm gonna show you how easy it can be to integrate any kind of air conditioning system into IP-based home automation systems. Nowadays, the air conditioning manufacturer sector is full of different manufacturers, and each one has a proprietary internal communication protocol, which is also not accessible to everyone. This factor makes really complicated for the AC units to be integrated into these home automation systems. Luckily, Intesis has developed a range of products which allow to make this integration in a really easy way. Intesis Box Wi-Fi series are based in an ASCII protocol under TCP/IP and allow the communication with any kind of home automation system with the only requirement of having an IP connection. But how? Let's have a look. As I mentioned, the home automation system must have an IP connection. Usually, these systems have a smart hub or a central controller which will be connected to the home local IP network. Intesis Box device will be also connected to the same network via Wi-Fi. In this way, the communication between the home automation system and the gateway is established. Finally, it is necessary to import a driver into the home automation system which contains the ASCII protocol. Some of drivers are now available in our webpage, and also the protocol is available there. Someone with a little bit of programming experience could develop a new driver to integrate a huge range of air conditioning systems into any kind of IP home automation system. But what is the compatibility that we can offer today? Intesis Box Wi-Fi series consists in two different kinds of gateways. The specific brand, which allow the integration of specific AC manufacturers, and the universal one. The brand-specific gateways are directly wired to the AC units and allow bidirectional communication. So we can get the real status of the unit, and we can also monitor signals like errors, alarms, or even power consumption of the unit. However, on the other hand, the universal one offers the possibility to integrate thousands of AC units with the only requirement of having an infrared receiver. To sum up, I would like to say that Intesis Box Wi-Fi products are the easiest way to get your air conditioning system controlled by any kind of IP home automation system. Thank you very much for your attention, and please visit our webpage intesisbox.com to find any information you might need.